Mishi from Mishi's World. Today I'm going to show you how to make rainbow loom bracelets. It's really easy and fun. First, start off with 3 fingers. I'm going to put it on one finger, twist it and put it on the other. And then I'm going to add an orange one. And then I'm going to add a yellow one. Like this. And now I'm going to put the red one on top of the yellow and orange and then do the other side. And now I'm going to take one of the red halves and then I'm going to put it on my thumb like this. And then I'm going to spread these 2 out. And then I'm going to put the color green on my finger and do the same with the orange. And then I'm going to put the color blue on my finger and do the same with yellow. It might look funny at first, but when you do it more, it will get better. Now I'm going to put the purple on and then do the same with the red with the green. Then I'm going to put a pink one on, and I'm going to do the same with the blue. And then I'm going to put the red one on and do the same with the purple. And now I'm going to put the orange one on and do the same with pink. And I'll keep doing it over and over again. Like this. Once you get the hang of it, it will be really easy and fun. I learned this from my cousin named Lena. When you've made enough length, you need to finish it by tying it together with an S or an U. So you take one end and then you remove your finger from the length you took, and then you take 2 fingers, put it on top and pull it and then leave it, and then do it with the other side, but the other half of the red you have to pick up or you can leave, either way you want. And then you have to do the same thing with the red, and now it's ready to wear. Thank you for watching. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.